After you've successfully programmed the module to the vehicle, hold the button on the module until the module's light turns green. Tap the button once. The light will flash green once repeatedly. For menu 1, confirm by holding the button until the light turns red and immediately release the button. Tap the button to scroll through the available options one by one. Stop when the light flashes red 7 times for option 7. Now, hold the button until the light turns green and immediately release the button. The light will flash green, indicating the current setting. The default is 4 times for lock, 3 times start. Tap the button until the light flashes 3 times for lock, unlock, lock, start. Hold the button on the module until the light turns solid red, then release. It will return to option selection and flash 7 times. To exit, hold the button until the light flashes red rapidly, then release. When the light turns off, you're done.